I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So what's up mga bossing? It's Boy Bukas again, and this time we're going to unbox another cool toys that I won from a raffle draw. So usually if you check out some of the Facebook page, they do offer like a raffle ticket, and you just buy through, you know. So usually they are already Canada based, so you can just do some e-transfer and you're good to go. So after a few raffle, I finally win this cool Snake Man Luffy figure. This is like a statue, and it's only, you know, like a knockoff. I'm not too sure if it's a licensed version, but it's really cool. They always, this Warhead studio, they always created a cool statue figure. Yeah, just love to share it to you guys, and I got a bonus also figure on this one, which is a Funko Pop. So during unboxing, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's go mga bossing. What are we waiting for? Let's unbox. Let's go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go again, mga bossing. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box, and this time we're going to unbox another cool Luffy figure. So this one is pretty cool, and I got a good story about this one. And also, I'm gonna include this Funko Pop Snake Man Luffy. So this figure is also another Snake Man Luffy from Warhead Studio. So usually, the Warhead Studio is created a lot of you know, like anime statue. So, and though I'm not too sure if they are, you know, like a licensed figure, but they really created a lot of cool figures. So this time, yeah, so happened this is the Snake Man Luffy, and the story about this is that I only got this from a raffle in Facebook. So I'm gonna share this to you guys. Look for XP Toys Collectibles in Facebook, and yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below and on the and here, so you can check it out, and maybe you can try to join the raffle. So usually it runs like $5, I think even up to only like $15 Canadian, so because they are in Canada and it's just close by from my home, so that's what also make it really nice for me. But there's also a lot of Facebook pages doing the same kind of raffles. So all the, okay, this is like how they usually do it, right? So like they get a number 1 to 50, and then they do some raffle using this online spinning wheels, so to get the winners, and then they have a couple of ways of doing it. So yeah, so that's really cool. So if you want to check it out, and you can join the raffle and get, you know, a chance to win this in a small amount. Usually I believe this one raised like $150 Canadian, so just around that. So of course, and plus shipping, right? So but you can usually, like, I believe you can find it in AliExpress and Taobao only. So not too sure in Timo, yeah, for Canadians. So but so far there's a lot of also way of doing this. So, yeah, by the way, I'm not promoting the Facebook page. I'm just wanna share it and love to share it to you guys. So yeah, check it out and let's open. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is not like a. That's the only thing. This is not really like a brand new thing. So, but still, it's cool to have it, you know. So let's go. Let's do this. Let's unbox. Okay, so why not? I just want to show you to guys this Funko Pop Snake Man Luffy. Yeah, so there you go. Really cool. So this is the four. If you want to collect them, this is the four figures in this series or wave. Yeah, so Zoro, Jinbei, and Kaido. Kaido looks really cool. I hope Jinbei also as big as Kaido. And let's take it out. Okay, look at that. It's really cool. Nice, nice. As always, it's Funko Pop. Why not, right? It's a cool version of Funko Pop. Look at that. Right, see? Okay, so there's you go, the Snake Man Luffy, Funko Pop. And let's go back to Warhead, Snake Man Luffy. Okay. Impressive packaging. So I'm not too sure what material is this, but we'll see. It's also my first time to see this one. Okay, I guess this is, yeah. Let's do it this way. It's not bad, right? So I think the way they package it, I guess this is really nothing. And this may easily break. Maybe really a good one. So there you go. Look at that. Look at that figure. So there's no more. So I guess no more accessories. All in all, this is the main figure. Okay, so there you go, inside the box. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, it's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. But the details, look at that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very cool. So I guess this is, yeah, a very, I don't know if it's a polystone material, but the way and the feel of it is really like that. So really scary. Look at those tongue and snake teeth, right? So it's like might easily break, but the details pretty impressive. What do you guys think, right? Really cool. Look at that. That's a good thing about those, but I'm not, advocating about it. It's all about the releases from Chinese company. It's really impressive. And the ideas and the concept, how they design it is really, imagination is really cool. So, okay, nice. So let's try to measure this one. Okay. So it's around 6 inches high and around 6 inches width. So that's not really bad. It's perfect to display, I know, and I'm also expecting a little bigger than this one, but I'm still happy what I got. And you know, I think I only play like 3 numbers, so and 8 for actually don't I only play like with 3 numbers, and if you get like 3 numbers, I think it's only for $20. Like, but if you got one, just 7. So, and then there's like another. They usually like put like another extra spot. So, yeah. So why not, right? For $20, this is like 150. Even if it's open or loose figure, still good deal. And we'll also try to take out the weight of this one. Let's see. It's still pretty heavy on this size of figure. So how much do we got? So there you go. We got like 408 grams. So almost half a kilograms. So that's really nice. Really impressive design. And so I guess nothing you can. So it's already attached. You don't need to like take it out, put it back. Yeah. Nice. What do you guys think about it, right? Really cool. Look at those details. So check out the last part of this video. I'm gonna do some 360 and some cool close-up of this figure. So there you go, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.